Ambrose, what are you searching?
My wife.
Huh?
My wife.
Chặt lê, thà rồi khun mất chặt lê. Thà rồi khun mất chặt lê, tum na. So we are going to get the snails. So today's man players. She's a striker. She's a striker. Okay, so we are reaching the place. Bros, he's another great YouTuber. His link is always in my description, don't worry. So we have reached the place, and this is the place where I found some good snails yesterday. We will get the snails from here. This is in Chhattisgarh.
Snail
Welcome to snail. Welcome to snail. We are going to eat snail, and the water is also. This is the busiest human being alive on earth. Geo company is very happy because of her. Yeah. What are you doing? Flying. Look here. Nah, I'm telling to the flower, not to you. Look at this lazy girl sitting down and talking. Yeah, she heard that. Ambrose, what are you searching?
My wife.
Huh?
My wife.
He's searching for his wife.
In 5 minutes, I go this much.
You can get the flower from me.
One dance, come. First dance with me. Dance with me. After that I'll get for you. Dance with me. 1, 2, 1, go. Yeah. So I'll get the flower for you. Don't worry. I'm gonna put my hand inside and bring out. Let us see how many snails will come in my hand. 1. Wow. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20, 25 I think. That's great. I'll tell you the taste afterwards when I start eating. It's gonna be delicious.